Welcome to PCI. Today I will be discussing on responsibilities of a product manager and skills requirement in product management. At the end of this content, you will be able to know who a product manager is, the core concept of product manager, the keys responsibilities of product manager, and some of the skills requirement in product management. To begin this content, let's dive into defining who a product manager is. A product manager is an individual who leads a team of developers and oversees all the process of product management in order to ensure that right product is delivered to customers according to their needs and as well fulfill the company goals. A product manager plays a significant role to ensure that products is built at the right time, working with the right team and stakeholders, and design product for the right customers. Roles of product manager are all the functions a PM is responsible to guide throughout and beyond the product lifecycle. Before I proceed with the roles of a PM, let me outline some of the core concept of product manager. This include 1. Identifying customer needs or expectations. The product manager carried out responsibilities by research to know what customers want. 2. After identification of customers' needs, the next thing PM does is defining the right product to meet those needs. 3. The PM recommend the defined product and collaborating with product teams such as engineers, designers, and marketers to ensure that the defined product is delivered successfully into the market. To proceed further, I will be deeply exploring the role of product manager. Role of a product manager in product management are shown below. 1. Defining the product vision. Product vision is a significant process in product management. Creating a compelling product strategy that aligns with company goals and user needs helps product team to stay focused on the right roadmap in the process. Product vision is a concise statement that defines purpose of product. To define a clear product vision, the product manager must consider and follow the following questions as shown below. 1. Why does the product exist? 2. Who is the product designed for? 3. What need will the product address? 4. What aim will the product achieve? 5. Define if the product is capable of motivating the team. All these questions will help a product manager to write good product vision. The second role of product manager is research market trend and customer needs. This is another important aspect that is mandate of a product manager. Product manager research and gather feedback to identify customers' problems that's needed to be solved. In other words, the need of the customers that should be met. Market trend, on the other hand, is the direction to which market move with respect to time. Studying market trend helps product team to design new product that will meet customers' needs. Invest wisely. It helps businesses to stay competitive and minimize risk of loss. The product manager is the person who is responsible for tracking the market trend and make informed decision on further development. 3. A product manager decide or prioritize on which product feature to be built or developed. In a case where there are multiple choices involved, the PM is responsible to decide on the one that's worth develop. Prioritizing a product is dependent on the information gathered from the user and trending research. For example, if a PM carried out user research on Pepsi-Cola and Coca-Cola carbonated soft drink, after his finding he discovered that the demand for Coca-Cola is higher than Pepsi-Cola brand. The PM will prioritize the improvement of Coca-Cola carbonated drink over Pepsi-Cola because of the demand rate. Another aspect of prioritization is on business goal and objectives. Product manager prioritize a product feature that align with the business goal and objectives so as to design a quality value. 4. A product manager work with teams such as engineer, designers, marketers, and sales team to ensure successful delivery of product. Each of the team members has significant role in the process of development according to individual qualification. That is, according to what each one of them is capable of doing. Product manager collaborate and assign responsibility to each of the team member. For instance, designers is assigned with responsibility of designing the user experience UX, user interface UI, and prototype and testing that is in line with customers' needs. The engineers are responsible for designing technical problem-solving sections such as customers' care and building high-quality product that meet users' demand. Marketers and sales, on the other hand, develop strategies for product launch and sales. 5. Product manager oversees all the process and steps of product lifecycle from ideation through growth, maturity, and decline stage. This is crucial to the success of project. It helps the development team to align with the business objectives and users' needs. As the PM supervises the process, He ensures that all the activities required in the project is done at the right time, and that all design and functionality meet up with the quality standard that's expected. At this point, I will be discussing on the skills required in product management. Skills required in product management include 1. Leadership. Leadership is crucial quality that determines strength of product team. A product manager must be competent enough to guide and motivate team members through the process. Leadership helps align team to business goals. It motivates team towards decision taken and as well be committed to the project. Leadership in product management is vital for maintaining operational excellence, managing teams effectively, and ensuring consistent product quality. 2. Communication. Product manager must be patient enough to listen and communicate effectively with product development team. This helps the team to understand the product vision and work towards achieving common goal. Communication amongst team members facilitate feedback and sharing of ideas. The ultimate importance of communication is that it improves collaboration, increase efficiency, and designing higher quality product or services that fulfill business goal. 3. Analytical skills. Data analysis is one of the important concepts in product development. It helps product manager to interpret customers' feedback, their behavior, prototyping, and sales data. The need for building a product is to meet the customer's demand and stay competitive in the market. It is essential for the product manager to first analyze data based on the user's feedback and market trend before proceeding to full-scale production. Analyzing data before production helps the product team to take informed decisions so as to reduce the risk of failure, waste of time, and resources. 4. Strategic thinking. Developing a long-term vision for the product and making strategic decisions is crucial in product development. One of the major goals of every business is to produce a brand that stays long in the market. It is important the product team work with long-term plans to sustain the brand and stay competitive. This ensures that every impact to designing a product should sustain long-term goal rather than short-term. 5. Problem solving. This aspect in that the team identify and resolve issues throughout the process of product lifecycle. Problem-solving ability implies that the team understand the challenges customers faced, clearly define the challenges, and brainstorm ideas or hypotheses that could help solve the underlying challenges. Working with effective problem-solving quality helps the team to analyze and evaluate information, identify patterns, and make relevant decisions. It improves customer satisfaction and contribute to product success and business growth. In conclusion, the roles of product manager and skills are crucial in product management. These enable product managers to guide cross-functional teams, prioritize features, and deliver product that align with organizational goals and customer expectations. To get notification on my subsequent videos, kindly like and hit the subscribe button.